Let us solve another math major question involving equation of a perpendicular line. We have this problem: find the equation of a line perpendicular to y is equal to 2x plus 1 and passes through point 1 and 5. Recall our slope-intercept form. We have y is equal to mx plus b. In our problem, we are given this equation: y is equal to 2x plus 1, y is equal to 2x plus 1. But this format only involves the slope of a parallel line. So itong m is our slope for the parallel line. M is equal to 2. We denote m1 as the slope of our parallel line and m2 as our slope for the perpendicular line. So in order to solve for the value of m2, we need to get the negative inverse or negative reciprocal of this value. We have the negative inverse of 2, that is negative 2 raised to negative 1, or negative 1/2. So bakit 1/2? Originally, 2 can be written in the form 2 over 1. So lahat ng integers or lahat ng whole number ay may divisor na 1. So kapag kukunin natin ang inverse nito or ang reciprocal ng fraction na ito, ang gagawin natin is babaliktarin lang natin ang nasa loob at kokopyahin lang natin ang positive value for the exponent. So we have inverse of our fraction, we have 1/2. Since 2 over 1, gagawin natin yung 1/2 and that is raised to 1. If we raise any number to 1, our value remains the same. So we have now the negative inverse of 2, which is negative 1/2. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa equation na y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So this m, sa ating perpendicular line, we denote that as m2. So we have the values x1, which is 1, y1, which is 5, and m2, which is negative 1/2. Substituting those values, we have y minus y1 is 5. That is equal to m2, negative 1/2. That is multiplied to x minus, ang x1 natin is 1. So we have y minus 5 is equal to negative 1/2 times x minus 1. In order to simplify, we need to multiply the whole equation by 2 para matanggal ang ating denominator na 2 dito. So we distribute this 2 to the whole equation. We have 2 times y, that is 2y. 2 times negative 5, that is negative 10. That is equal to 2 times negative 1/2, that is negative 1. Since cancelled out ang 2, maiiwan ang negative 1. So that is multiplied to x minus 1. So distributing this value negative 1 sa loob ng parenthesis, we have 2y minus 10. That is equal to negative 1 times x, negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1, that is positive 1. Simplifying further, we have to make this variable x into positive. Ililipat natin sa kabila. We have x plus 2y. Okay? Since ililipat natin si negative x sa kabila, magiging positive x. Then, magre-retain ang 2y dito. We have plus 2y. Ililipat natin si negative 10 sa kabila, magiging positive 10 added by 1 na nandito. So, we have x plus 2y is equal to 10 plus 1. Finally, we have x plus 2y is equals to 10 plus 1, that is 11. So we have the equation for the perpendicular line. X plus 2y is equal to 11, option A. We have another method in solving this particular problem involving equation of a perpendicular line. So we have this question: find the equation of a line perpendicular to y is equal to 2x plus 1 and passes through point 1 and 5. Recall our slope-intercept form, y is equals to mx plus b. And we are given the equation y is equals to 2x plus 1 Doon sa previous video natin, ang ginawa natin sa parallel line, kinopya natin itong terms ng x and y. So we have y is equals to 2x. Then ang ginawa natin sa constant term, pinalitan natin siya ng variable na b. So we have the new equation for the parallel line, y is equals to 2x plus b. But for this video, we are going to solve for the equation of a perpendicular line. So since perpendicular, ang gagamitin natin is ang coefficients ni x and y. So we have the coefficient for y na 1 and coefficient ni x na 2. Ipagpalit lang natin sila ng coefficients. We have 2y is equals to x plus ang constant term natin gagawin natin na b. So we have now 2y is equals to x plus b. Before going further, we need to change the sign for the term y. Since in the original equation, ang term y natin ay in positive form, then sa new equation natin magiging negative ang term y. So this is now our equation for the perpendicular line. So in order to solve for the value of b, we need to substitute the values x and y dito na point. Ito yung x and y natin, 1 and 5. So now in solving for the value of b, we have negative 2 times ang y natin is 5. That is equal to x natin is 1 plus the variable b. So we can solve now for the value of b. So we have negative 2 times 5, that is negative 10. I-transpose natin itong 1, magiging negative 1 sa kabila, that is equal to b. So negative 10 minus 1, that is equal to negative 11. So that is our value for the variable b. Ito yung i-substitute natin sa value ni b dito sa new equation. So we have negative 2y is equals to x. b is negative 11, so that is negative 11. So ito na yung required equation natin. But we need to simplify this. So ililipat natin si negative 2y sa kabila at ililipat natin si negative 11 dito sa left hand side. So we have negative 11 po mapupunta sa kabila. We have positive 11, that is equal to x. Negative 2y, kapag ilipat natin sa right hand side, magiging plus 2y. So we have the equation 11 is equals to x plus 2y, or swap sides, we have x plus 2y is equals to 11. That is our required equation. So our answer is option A.
Thanks for watching.